सो कौन से वाले कैमरा में देखना
सर ये सामने वाली सामने।
ओके दिस वन।
रेडी सर?
रेडी? So I'm scholar Shubham Pandey, and today is a big day for me. I was going to finally meet him, a Kargil war hero, a war veteran, a Veer Chakra, and also like me, a Siachen pioneer. May I come in, sir?
Yeah, Pandey. Come sit. Meet Air Commodore A.K. Sinha, Veer Chakra.
Sir, the man himself was sitting right in front of me.
He has to attend an event at Air Force Station Leh.
Yes, sir.
So please drive him to Leh and ensure that he reaches on time.
It will be an honor for me, sir. Sir, if I may ask, sir, how was your war experience in Kargil, sir? I didn't know how to start a conversation.
Yeah, Kargil 1999. The enemy had occupied all these top ridges in Kargil and they wanted to block the entire Ladakh, cut it off from India.
Sir.
The no aircraft, helicopter, weapon systems are designed to operate in such high altitude.
Exactly, sir.
But then, we improvised, we innovated, and we used shock and awe. And we plastered Tiger Hill, Kolo Lake with 512 rockets each.
You are a real hero, sir. That's the real courage, sir, I think. So facing the enemy, that's what I feel a pilot dreams of, to fight a war in his Fauji career, sir. Sir, what I feel is, sir, हम तो air maintenance, CASUVAC, sir, यही कर पा रहे हैं, sir, and just dropping supplies.
You think it's not important what you're doing? You know what are the three gods which are called in glacier?
No, sir.
Porter, doctor, and helicopter.
Oh, sir. Sir.
The army in the Siachen Glacier, the highest battlefield of the world, can they sustain unless you maintain, give them logistics support, weapons, fuel, everything?
Sir, but flying in glacier, sir, in turbulence, bad weather, so many times I face challenges while carrying out landings at high altitudes, while recovering the aircraft, sir.
Have you done riding in India? Horses?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's said about the horse. घोड़ा जो है ना अपने घुड़सवार को पहचान लेता है.
Yes,
Similarly, the heartbeat of the helicopter, you need to feel, you need to sense. And once the heartbeat of the helicopter is in sync with you, boy, then it's music.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Jain, sir.
Jain,
Sir, you have to immediately leave for a casualty evacuation, sir.
where is the casualty?
Sir, Nunkun Peak, Sagal sector.
Okay, let's go.
Sir.
Killer 1, casualty on a bearing of 289 degrees, 901 nautical miles from base, cleared for takeoff.
You need to sense the heartbeat of the helicopter. And once the heartbeat of the helicopter is in sync with you, boy, then it's music.
Landing now.
Three gods in the glacier: Porter, Doctor, and helicopter.
So it was really a big day for me. So the baton was passed to carry the legacy of Siachen pioneers forward. It was a big honor, but a bigger responsibility. Some learnings stay with you for life, and they make you better at your job. This was one such learning for me, and I'm sure it will help me become a better pilot.